And this year's theme for Cook Island Week is Takurama Ta Aotoe Ora Te Reo. My torch, my adzi, the language lives. When I say pe o koi, you respond with me taki maata. Let's give it a go. Pe o koi, school. Let's do it again. Pe o koi, middle school. Well done, middle school. Here are some tips on how to dance. Check it out. Hands on hips. Bend your knees. And shake your legs. Position your feet in a V shape. Bend your knees and sway side to side.
Kia rana ko Augustina toku ingoa.
Kia rana ko Dijane toku ingoa. My mom is from Aitutaki and my dad is from Atiu.
I love being a Cook Islander because together other people can come and celebrate and sing a lot of songs.
The reason why I like being a Cook Islander is because I can embrace my culture and identify what us islanders do, and I can follow what my ancestors have done.
I love dancing and singing, and also like helping family with the A's and the costumes. And yeah.
Being a Cook Islander means the world to me. It is my identity. It is who I am. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I encourage you to keep your culture alive. Middle school mana all day, every day.